welcome back. If you are new to this info world, then please like, subscribe, and share. And we are going to share with you very good tricks to help you increase your watch hour quickly and very easy, because sometimes we get subscriber very easy, but to increase watch time we find it very difficult. Okay, so we are going to discuss in this. So please watch this video completely, otherwise you will not be understanding. Okay, so let's get started now. And you can do this from your mobile phone. Okay, so go to your Google Chrome, click on it and type YouTube dashboard. Okay, and click on search. See, new page will open. Scroll down and click on YouTube channel. Okay, now it will take some time, and it will redirect to your YouTube dashboard. Okay, so let's see, it's opening. It's taking time because of slow internet. See, this is your dashboard. Okay, now what you have to do here is you have to create playlist. You can see the playlist. See, this is the playlist. Click on it. Okay, once you click on it, one new tab will open. There you have to enter your playlist name. Okay, now you will be seeing that new tab is open. Okay, see, already I have created playlist, so I will tell you how to create new playlist. So scroll left. Okay, then you can see on the top new playlist. Click on this playlist. Okay, then as I told you earlier, enter name of your playlist. See, my playlist is info world. Then you can see down, click on it and keep it public. Okay, so that it will be visible to public. Okay, then you can see it is create. Click on create. Once you click on it, your playlist will be created. Now you have to add all long videos, so click on edit. Once you click on edit, new tab will open. Now you can see you all video. Click on three dot, then click on save playlist. Now you can see it's showing your playlist name. Mark, tick on it and click on done. Now your video is added to your playlist. Okay, in the same way you have to add all your long videos to this playlist. Okay, so you don't have to add short videos, otherwise it will not count watch time. So go to YouTube, click on profile and then click on your channel. Okay, then your channel dashboard will open. Okay, now you can see, click on playlist. See playlist. Okay, then click on three dot of your playlist. See three dot, then click on share. After you click on share, then copy link, and we have second option to copy playlist link directly. You can see the share button. Click on it. Once you click on it, then click on copy link and keep it with you. Now you can go to Google Chrome. Okay, then click on three dot on top right corner, then click on history. Okay, then click on clear browsing data. See clear browsing data, click on it. Now here you can select last time hour. select all time. Okay, click on it all time. Then you can see these boxes. If it is unticked, then you have to make click on it and make it tick, and then click on clear data. All data will be removed. So click on clear data. Okay, all previous data will be removed from your device. Okay, now इसके बाद आप फिर से गूगल में जाइए और थ्री डॉट पे क्लिक कीजिए टॉप राइट कॉर्नर में, वो सबसे ऊपर में देखिए थ्री डॉट, देन क्लिक ऑन न्यू इनकॉग्निटो टैब. You can see new incognito tab. Click on it. This is the private browser. Okay, so here you can click on the URL place and paste your link which you already have copied. Okay, and click on search. Then your all videos will start playing automatically. You can see I have already added 28, so it will play one by one. Okay, see, all this will be played one by one. You can see the number. First it is playing, then second, then third, and you can repeat same thing in new tab. Okay, for every day, or you can keep the gap of 1 hour and you can clear and then start. If you have still not subscribed my channel, then please like, subscribe and share, so that and press the bell icon so that you will get all video notification. Okay, so thanks for watching.